Hey, kindergarten friends. So what we're going to do today is we are going to talk about some handwriting for the new letters we have been learning in Skills Block. So Ms. Hogan is going to share her screen so that we can all see. All right, friends. So we have started a new poem and are learning some new letters this week. We're learning about the letters Z, E, and J. Z as in zebra, E as in elephant, and J as in jellyfish. So just to review our poem, my camera. Let's take a look at this poem. Oops. Technical difficulty. There we go. There we go, much better. All right, friends, so let's take a look at our poem, My Camera. I looked in my camera and what did I see? Two African animals looking back at me. I looked in my camera and what did I see? A zebra with a bushy mane and an elephant in the plain. My first thought was, how can they be so tame? Swimming with a jellyfish was not the same. I looked in my camera and what did I see? Not a jellyfish swimming towards me. The jellyfish sting made me sing. I looked at my camera and what did I see? Lots of memories flooding back to me. All right, so that is our poem, My Camera, talking about the different animals and the different experiences that the boy has with those animals. And when he looks through his camera, he remembers what he saw and all of his experiences with these animals. So for your Canvas activity, you're going to be circling the letters Z as in zebra, E as in elephant, and J as in jellyfish. We'll also be counting how many words are in each sentence. You will also be working on your handwriting, okay? So for an uppercase Z, it is all straight lines. So you start at the top line. Now again, Ms. Hogan's writing with her finger on her computer, so it might not look super neat, but we all need to do our best. All right, so you're starting at the top line by his ears. You go across, diagonal down, all the way to the feet line, and then across. Oh, that wasn't too bad for a finger. You go across, diagonal down, across, diagonal down, across. So again, you go across the top line, diagonal down to the bottom line, and across the bottom line. And you don't pick up your pencil at all. Ms. Hogan's finger is staying on the screen the whole time. So again, across at the top line, diagonal down, across at the bottom line. Whoop, that one went a little above the ear line. Shouldn't do that. Let's try it one more time. Across, diagonal down, across again. All right, so that's the uppercase Z, as in zebra. And then the lowercase z, friends, is just like the uppercase Z, only it's a little smaller. So this time you're going to start at the belly line. You start at the belly line, go diagonal down, diagonal across. Start at the belly line, diagonal down, diagonal across. Belly line, diagonal across, straight across, diagonal down, straight across. Straight across, diagonal down, straight across. And again, you're not picking up your pencil. Straight across, diagonal down, straight across. Okay, Ms. Hogan messed up her words a little bit there, but it's straight across, diagonal down, straight across. All right? So that's the uppercase and lowercase z as in zebra. All right, let's move on to the next one. E. E says eh as in elephant. All right, let's take a look at this one. Uppercase E is all straight lines as well. So you start at the ear line, come straight down to the foot line. Then you come back up to the top. You go across, go to the middle, across, go to the bottom, across. So again, straight line down, go to the top, across, go to the middle, across, go to the bottom, across. Again, to the top, straight line down, come back to the top, straight line across, in the middle, straight line across, at the bottom, straight line across. Okay, that's 4 motions with your pencil. You can't see Miss Hogan's finger, but that's what I'm doing. Straight line down, that's 1 motion. Straight line across at the top, straight line across in the middle, straight line across at the bottom. Okay, and then for the lowercase e, it's very different from the uppercase e. It's kind of similar to a lowercase c, but not quite. Okay, so you're going to start you're going to start at the middle line, you're going to start between the belly and the foot line, between the belly and the foot line. And you're going to do a straight line out, curve around all the way. Okay, straight line, short straight line, then you curve up and you curve around. Straight line out, curve up and around. Straight line out, curve up and around. Okay, that one's a little tricky, but it's very similar to a lowercase c. Straight line out, curve up and around. And it stays between the belly and the foot line. All right, on to the next. J as in jellyfish. All right, an uppercase J is made up of straight lines and curved lines. All right, so first what you're going to do is you'll start up at the top, at the ear line, at the headline, and you come straight down, curve. Oop, that was too far, Miss Hogan. Again, I'm doing it with my finger. So you come up to the top, straight down, curve, and then a straight line up at the top. So start at the ear line, come down to the foot line, curve, straight line at the top. Okay, we've got to be careful to keep our letter in between the ear line and the foot line. I know it can be hard, but keep it in between those lines because it's not supposed to go down to the bottom or down past those lines. All right, so there's your uppercase J. Now the lowercase j does go below the foot line. So you start at the belly line, you come down below the foot, curve. Then there's a dot at the top, just like with a lowercase I. You come to the belly line, down below the foot, curve, dot. Start at the belly line, come down below the foot, curve, dot. Just like this. All right, and then you'll keep doing that for the rest of the page. So that's the uppercase and lowercase j. All right, so for Canvas, you're going to put a box around the first word in every line, put a box around the last word in every line, count the number of words. You're going to find each of the letters in the poem, and you're going to work on your handwriting. So you got a lot to do on Canvas today. So go ahead and get started. Good luck, friends. You're going to do great.